any war, but I make sure for this concerned generation that you will have not only a port, but a naval
base.
A naval base. Why would we need a naval base? Because we have import and export, and we have ships. Our ships will be protected by the American ships or by the French ships.
Are we going to outsource?
Are we going to be depend on the Indian ships? No. We have 20 or 30 ships, fleets across the world. And it will continue. Within the next 10 years, Ethiopia will have maybe 100 ships, container ships we're talking about. Who's going to protect it? Offshore, onshore. We need our own base. We had a navy. We had a navy 30 years ago or 35 years ago. It's been destroyed politically. We don't want to go back. That's a spelt milk. Yeah, that's a spelt milk that the previous government has made a mistake, but we're not interested in. Looking forward and competing into international market. This is the aim of our government. Just like the Renaissance Dam. Believe you me, we made the Renaissance Dam. We will make having not only one port, we'll have soon 5-6 port access to the sea.
In the course of our discussion, you've raised again and again about the local fish market politics. What do you mean by that?
One cannot forget and say Ethiopia at the moment we don't have difficulties. We have the issue of Fano, we have the issue of Shani. It's very sad. We just came out of ugly, ugly civil war with our own brothers, the TPLF, with the Grand people. So the government took guts and says, look, even if I win the war against TPLF or TDF, I'm a loser. Even if TPLF wins and EDF win, we are the loser. So the government took the initiative and says, come guys, let's stop the war. So reiteratively, the war is on the table. TDF and TPLF are fighting against the Ethiopian government on the table. They haven't given up. They are still fighting. But that's good.